Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to use Apple Pencil Pro squeeze and haptic features on iPad Pro M5. First open Settings, then search for Apple Pencil, and here we have the squeeze tool, show tool palette, switch between current tool and eraser, and this ATC. So, when we open, for example, Notes, create a new note, then when I squeeze it, we can change between tools, as you can see. So, when I, for example, create something, then I can squeeze, take an eraser, and try to draw it once more. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.